Children, this is the question of inverse variation, standard 8. Let us read the question, what actually it is speaking of. A contractor with a workforce of 420 men can complete a work of construction of a building in 9 months. See here, just try to understand. 420 people can complete a particular work in 9 months. This is what the meaning of these two sentences. Due to request by the owner, he was asked to complete the same in 7 months. Note here. Now the contractor have been told that he has to complete the work within 7 months because the owner wants it earlier. How many extra men he must employ to complete the job? Now it is very clear, if you want to complete the work earlier, you have to employ more men. That is, if time is decreasing, then you have to have more people at work. That means if x is increasing, y is decreasing, and if x is decreasing, y is increasing. So this is a case of inverse variation. So let us see how we can start the question. Solution. Let the, see here, 420 men and 9 months. Let the number of men be x and time in months be y. Now let us quickly make the table. So x is the number of men and y is the time in months. 420 men are taking 9 months. Suppose we are given 7 months. So how many people are required to complete the work? This is the case of inverse variation. As you all know, inverse variation. So here what is the rule? X multiplied by y is equal to constant. This you can very nicely understand also. See, 420 men are working for 9 months. If one person has to work, then 420 multiplied by 9. That much time it will take. So 420 into 9 is constant. So here x into y will be equal to this x into this y. So we can say that unknown number multiplied by y, that is number of multiplied by 7, not y, multiplied by 7 will give you 420 into 9. So this unknown number will be equal to 420 into 9 by 7. So 7 ones are 7 6 are, and this 0 will come here. So this unknown number will be equal to how much? 6 9 are 54, 540. So this will come in what? Our x is taken as men. So 540 men, total 540 men are required. But the question you read again, how many extra men he must employ? Already he has 420 men. So how many extra men he will employ? He will employ 540 minus 420. That will be equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 5 minus 4 is 1. So therefore, your final answer will be, he must employ 120 extra men to complete the work in how many months? 7 months. I hope this is clear to you, children. Okay, let us move towards the next question. Read the question. Uday can finish a book in 25 days if he reads 18 pages every day. Suppose Uday starts reading 18 pages in one day, he can complete that book in 25 days. Now it is very clear from here, if you will read more pages in one day, it will take less time. And if you'll read less pages in one day, it will take more time. That means this is a case of inverse variation. Now what is our question? How many days will it take to finish it if he reads 15 pages every day? Now he is decreasing the number of pages he reads every day. Suppose if you will decrease number of pages he reads every day, then the number of days will increase. Therefore, this is a case of inverse variation. Let us start the solution. Let us take the number of pages as x. Okay, number of pages as x and number of days as y. Now what will happen? Let us quickly make the table. Now x is your number of pages. See here, 18 pages, 25 days. Now if he reads 15 pages, how much time is needed? Now here also x into y is constant. This is a case of inverse variation. So what we will do? We will see that x into y is constant. So this x into y will be equal to this x into y. So 18 into 25 will be equal to 15 into your unknown number. What is your unknown number? Number of days in which he is going to finish. So this will be equal to 18 into 25 by 15. 5 3s are, 5 5s are, 3 1s are and 3 6s are. This will become 30. What is this 30? This is 30 days. So what is your final answer? Uday will finish the reading of the book in 30 days if he reads 15 pages a day.